Hello guys, welcome to Rampabis Beyblade. Today we will discuss about the B187 Savior Valkyrie Shot 7, its parts, and the gimmicks of the blade, DB core, driver, the new DB Bay launcher, and the V-gear. By the way, this is the box of the Savior Valkyrie starter booster. It contains Savior Valkyrie, the new DB Bay launcher, and the V-gear, an upgrade to Dynamite Belial's Venture driver. This is Savior Valkyrie's top and bottom view. As you can see here, there are springs in the shot driver. And before we discuss anything else, I would just like to say that Savior Valkyrie looks very good for me. The color combination is just epic. The base color is blue with a red and gold combination design. Here is the shot driver being de-attached to Savior Valkyrie. I'm not sure if that's metal or just plastic with color silver paint. Let us know what you think in the comments. Okay guys, side view of Savior Valkyrie's blade and DB core. Note that the red part here is made of rubber, and I think it can be awakened when used multiple of times in battle, and then the rubber will be removed. We have 3 rubber contact points for the blade, as you can see here. Here is the 7 armor. It's really pointy in my opinion, and it actually has 7 contact points, as you can see here. Here is the Valkyrie DB core. Again, I really like the color combination of Valkyrie. And this is not just a normal DB core just like the one released previously. It actually has spring in the core, and the gimmick is that when used, it can make the Beyblade have the bound gimmick. So you can actually move the blade back and forth. You can also hear the click when activating the bound gimmick. Okay guys, time to discuss the shot driver. This one is a disc plus driver or performance tip in one, just like the generate driver from Master Diabolos. You can see that initially it has a pointy tip, so it will have a lot of stamina when the battle starts. Then the gimmick is that after a while, the spring will trigger and then the plastic part will pop out. The idea is that it will do an upper attack, and then after that, the Beyblade will be in full attack mode because it will have a flat tip driver. For the new DB Bay launcher from the Savior Valkyrie starter booster, this one is a must-have because of its new gimmick. The color combination is good as usual, but to be honest, when I first saw it, I didn't like it that much, but after seeing the real thing, it actually looks really good. The gimmick is that the gold part actually have a smaller gear than the previous DB Bay launchers. And what it will do is that your Bay launcher will have more spin on it. Regular DB Bay launcher have 10 to 10.5 rotation when pulled all the way, but the DB Bay launcher from the Savior Valkyrie will actually have 13.5 rotation instead. So in theory, it will have much stronger launch power than the other DB Bay launcher. Next one is the V-gear or the Valkyrie gear upgrade for Dynamite Belial's Venture driver. It looks really good and it will definitely add more stamina on Dynamite Belial. But here is the most important thing about the V-gear. It will actually make the spring of the Venture driver more tighter because it will push the spring when attached. So overall, everything in Savior Valkyrie starter booster looks really awesome, and I think it will actually be good in battle. And I'm really excited to do a slow motion video and capture how the shot driver works in real life. By the way guys, if you want to buy your own Savior Valkyrie, you can now pre-order them from HobbyDigi. They are an international toy store that sells very affordable Takara Tomy Beyblade products internationally, and they also ship very fast. I will just put their link in the description below. Make sure to check them out. Okay guys, that's all for our Savior Valkyrie discussion. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Beyblade contents. Thank you guys for watching. You are awesome. Bye-bye!